Hey everyone, Natalie Madison here, and it feels like fall. I think it's time for us to do a cute little monster cupcake set. So I absolutely am in love with googly eyes. These guys are done simply with a little bit of fondant on a popsicle stick and then an assortment of googly eyes. Aren't those awesome? Yeah. I'm using a piece of styrofoam here to hold my googly eyes. It makes it just a little bit easier to let them dry. I'm taking my green fondant and just working that up a little bit. And once I have it nice and kneaded, I'll be able to put it onto my popsicle stick. Now it's important to note, fondant is not going to stick magically to popsicle sticks, so we have to help it a little bit. We're going to roll it into a ball, something nice and smooth, and then take our popsicle stick, and I'm using a little bit of edible glue. This is called Dab and Hold by Wilton. It's a sugar paste glue that's going to keep that fondant attached to the stick, and I just put a tiny bit on the end. Insert that stick, give it a little twirl action. And then you can either glue your googly eyes directly to your fondant using some more of that edible glue, or you can use just a little bit of buttercream to make it stick. In this case, I'm going to go easy. Put a ball of buttercream right on that fondant, and then take any one of those fun-shaped googly eyes and press it into that fondant. Into the styrofoam to give it a second to dry to that stick. And then we can make several of these if you want to. This is certainly something that the kids can do right along with you. Now for the monster cupcakes, you can start with a swirl, and I love to do just a simple Hershey's Kiss on top, and then swirl my icing around that Hershey's Kiss, and then take your googly eyes and arrange them right into your cupcake. That one might be a little bit heavy for what we've got going on. We'll save him for a single. And for our little blobs, we're gonna do 3 blobs of icing because he is the blob, and then put a variety of little eyes on top. So I'm taking my cupcake and I'm just squeezing icing straight down. There's blob number 1, number 2, and you could stop there, but I'm going to go one more. Just give it a little twist on the top. And then place your googly eyes